rain on a storm. I'll set you.
Tristin, go.
Welcome to the Ravens Report. Thanks for watching. I'm Tristin.
And I'm Kylie. It's Wednesday, December 11th. Today's no-cheat Christmas movie trivia question is, how many Christmas lights does Clark Griswold put on his house in National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation?
It's Winter Wishes Week. Today is Crazy Sock Day. Tomorrow is Oregonian Day. So prep your Columbia gear, Nike gear, flannels, or puffy jackets. Also, there's a coin drive competition in your fourth period class. The current leaders are Miss Felton and Miss Sweber and Mr. Brannell. But there is plenty of time to catch up. Bring donations to your fourth period class and be dressed up in the spirit days to earn points. As a bonus, if you grab a tag off the tree, buy the gift and return it unwrapped with the tag taped to it to your fourth period class. That's worth 20 bonus points for your class tally.
We had a pep assembly yesterday. Here are some highlights.
Assembly is all about Winter Wishes. Winter Wishes is a program we have in school to help out less fortunate families in our community and provide them with all sorts of gifts during the holiday season. Let's go! Tatum's killing it, yo. Let's go!
Fly Fishing Club has a meeting at lunch this Wednesday and Friday. Check with Mr. Shotwell if you have any questions.
The band and choir combined concert is Thursday, December 19th at 7 p.m. in the PAT. There will also be a silent auction with lots of cool things for attendees to bid on and possibly buy to take home.
Attention seniors, purchase your ticket for the Safe and Sober graduation party now while the cost is still $20. The price for the tickets will increase in January. Please see Randy Davis in the Future Center for further questions.
The International Studies Program invites you to travel to Spain during spring break in March 2021. There is an informational meeting this Wednesday night, December 11th at 6 p.m. in the Skybox. There is a $200 enrollment bonus this month and fundraising has already begun. See Mrs. Hamilton or Mr. Capson or contact Debbie Dewey with your questions at debbiedewey@redmondschools.org.
There's a preseason meeting for Ridgeview lacrosse. New and current players and parents are welcome. The meeting is on December 12th at 6 p.m. at Pappy's Pizza. Come to the meeting for season info. Scholarships are available.
And now, here's expectations versus reality.
Hey, Adrian.
Hey, you're here on time. That's
know.
awesome. Hey, so you're late.
Yeah.
Again.
Uh-huh.
It's the 5th time.
Uh-huh.
And it's only Monday.
$124, $125.
Thanks for watching the support. I'm Jose.
And I'm Kelsey.
So, what are we gonna film today? We don't have anything to film.
That's it for today. The answer to today's no-cheat Christmas movie trivia question. Clark Griswold puts up 250 strands of lights for a grand total of 25,000 imported Italian twinkling lights.
As always, check out your YouTube page at youtube.com/RidgeviewRavens. I'm Tristin.
And I'm Kylie. Have an epic day and stay classy.